Hi, I'm Derek with Evolution Wheel, and today I'm going to walk you through the features and benefits of our EWRS-TH-AT all-terrain telehandler tire. This tire was designed to get you through those mucky conditions and make sure that your machine is dependable on a job site where you can't afford to get stuck. Okay, so the first thing you're really going to notice with this tire is the distinctive tread pattern. It is a very aggressive all-terrain tread pattern, and we made these lugs huge. If I take my fist, put it up against there, these things are like baseball bats. We did that for two reasons. A, so that we could get you a lot of traction with a good deep lug, but we also went wide with it so that it had good stability to prevent rollover. That gets us away from that center wear bar system that you see in most solid tires, and it's gonna prevent traction loss if the tire gets down to about 50%. This way you get traction from day one at 100% all the way down to the bottom when it's completely worn. The next key feature that we really need to touch on with this tire design is the segmented design of this tire. All of our tires across all of our products are segmented, however, it's most important in our telehandler line. Reason being is because these tires are really prone to damage in the field, and if you have health and safety inspectors on your job site, it's a problem to have a damaged tire. So, with this design, you can actually remove and replace a segment within about 10 minutes, and the operator can do it themselves. Really important to not only repair your tire, but keep your machine running productive hours. Okay, so the next thing we need to talk about with this tire design is stability. First, in our core hole geometry, we actually designed this tire to compress at a predictable rate. So if you put 1 pound on it, all the way up to 20,000 pounds, it's a straight line of compression and deflection in the core geometry. That makes the tire very predictable for an operator as they're driving and having a varying load. They're gonna know exactly how much that tire is gonna compress, and it's gonna be very stable as they're driving. The other thing that we did for stability was built this tire specifically to 850 pounds. That's what engineers and OEMs are using for their weight calculations when they're thinking about counterbalance in a telehandler, and that's what's going to make it important for your load chart. If it's not built to 850 pounds, your load chart's going to be off, and then all of a sudden you're tipping when you think you should be stable with the machine. So those are the key features that you need to know about our EWRS-TH-AT all-terrain telehandler tire. I'm Derek with Evolution Wheel. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're always here to help.